What's up everyone, it's Mike here. Well, today's a pretty good exciting day here in Vegas. As you can see, that's a Wraith. It's pretty banged up, you can't really tell what it is, but we're gonna get off the truck, take it to our service center, and I'm gonna start tearing it down and rebuilding it for you guys.
Telling him to stop and he's keeping on going. Seems like we should get paid for this tow. Royalty towing, repossession, recovery, just about everything, man. Going hard left. You need a discount, right? Is there a discount code for doing all the work? Use promo code royalty. We're turning and steering and using wheel jacks and all types of stuff. How'd they get that car up there? So many questions.
We are back again, guys, with our partners, MyBookie, and for this week, Tom Brady returns to New England for the biggest game of the year, and the stakes have never been higher at MyBookie. Whether you're with the Bucks or the Pats, this Sunday's game is always more exciting when you've got money on the line with MyBookie. Get in on the action and take this game to a whole new level at MyBookie. Both teams are sporting top defenses. Nobody knows each other better than Brady and Belichick. Slow and steady will win this race this week. Smart money bets the under. Don't wait around. Join MyBookie now and bet the biggest game of the season. Use our promo code ROYALTY and double your first deposit. That's right, double your first deposit. Now, we did a great job last week. Again, promo code ROYALTY, double your first deposit at mybookie.ag today.
Hit that one? That's a good one. Yeah, when it takes like a half an hour to get off the tow truck, he means that's a good one. Where's Beard? Has he seen this new project yet?
Putting that 570 piece on.
I wonder what happened to all the parts on the car.
They're in the car.
Oh, they are nice.
They're
Very nice.
in the backseat.
Hell yeah.
I don't know about the grill and the spirit of ecstasy, but I saw the bumper.
So for those of you guys that don't know, this is going to be on the Rebuilds channel. I'm really focused in buying wrecked Rolls Royces because I bought the entire inventory of basically Southern Florida's Rolls Royce parts inventory. Sorry, the entire inventory from the dealer. Doesn't matter. I have a lot of Rolls Royce parts. Like a lot. When I say a lot, I have a lot. I have like $1 million in Rolls Royce parts. So I try to buy the wrecked ones so that I don't have to like go on eBay and sell them all the time. I can just put them on these cars and then sell the car, you know? So, pretty sure I got them all, except the fender.
Yeah, this thing wasn't missing a door, right? Don't we have a door?
I have two doors.
For a Wraith?
I have all the parts except the front.
And they're
bumper.
white.
Yeah, they're white. Yeah. Funny, huh?
Needs a nice steam clean on the inside, too. Call him Muchacho.
His name is Jorge.
Hey, Albert's about to whip his ass. That's fine.
I told Albert he should because
Hey, buddy. Come here. I'll talk to you. Albert used to be a bouncer at a nightclub in Mexico.
And this guy doesn't speak any English. And his translator is so retarded. So mean. Stupid.
Okay. We're having to jack up this broken end. It's got a broken lower control arm, so that's just allowing the wheel to go all kinds of sideways and potentially snap off, being real dangerous. So it's kind of a problem solving just to get it down off the truck. Catch. My experience so far with this Wraith is that it's a big giant pain in the butt already. Just getting it off the delivery truck and onto our tow truck. Cars don't move very well when they have a broken lower control arm and the wheel could just do whatever it wants. So that's my experience so far. Let's see what the rest of it has for us.
You're wondering why we bought a wrecked Wraith. Is it to rent it? Absolutely not. The wrecked Wraith is for our rebuilds channel. What you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go follow that channel and watch the complete rebuild of that Rolls Royce Wraith. Also, another very intriguing reason to go follow that channel as well is the Bugatti documentary is going to be on there. Oh my goodness. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to that channel, you're going to subscribe, Royalty Rebuilds, you're going to watch all those cool videos, and on this video right here in particular, you're going to get us 50 million likes, and we're going to give you guys that Wraith. 50 million, we're going to give it to you.